Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show how to make the flower shape pearl beading ring and necklace. It's very easy to make them, quite similar with the design in my previous video. Let's start with the necklace first. I'm going to use FireLine, scissors, small silver tubes, Toho silver color seed beads in size 11, Swarovski white pearls in 4mm and 8mm, 2 beading needles, a closed jump ring and a clasp with a closed ring. Cut about 140 cm fire line. Hold the two ends together. Fold the thread on the middle point. Then attach the jump ring. Put on the beading needles for both ends of the thread. Hold 2 needles together, place a 4mm pearl. Move it close to the jump ring. Next, let's make the first section of the necklace. Place 8 silver tubes on each needle. Move them down close to the pearl. Then trap a 4mm pearl, so 2 needles go across through the pearl. Next, on each side, place 3 seed beads and 2 4mm pearls between them. Then trap a 4mm pearl again. We've got a loop. Hold 2 needles to place an 8mm pearl. Put it in the center of the loop. Now take 1 needle to go through all the beads on my left side, from here to here, and the 4mm pearl on the top. Same way with the other needle. Go through all the beads on my right side and the 4mm pearl on the top. Tighten the 2 parts of the thread. So we've finished the first section. Just repeat the same steps to make another section. So 8 silver tubes on each side. Then trap a 4mm pearl. On each side, place 3 seed beads and 2 4mm pearls between them. Trap a 4mm pearl. Hold 2 needles together to place an 8mm pearl. Put it in the center of the loop. Take each needle to go through all the beads on each side, including the 4mm pearl on the top. We've got 2 sections now. Then just keep making more sections to get the right length. It's in a good length for me now, with 8 silver tubes on each side at the end. Hold 2 needles to place a 4mm pearl. Place the clasp on one side. Then make 3 knots. Make sure the knots are tight and secure enough. Take 1 needle to go back through some beads. Better to go as far as we can with the extra thread, so the knots will be more durable. Same way to do with the other side of the thread. Then trim off the excess. We've finished the necklace. Let's see how to make the ring. Cut about 55 cm fire line. Attach the beading needles on both ends of the thread. Place 6 silver tubes on one needle. Then trap 2 silver tubes. We've got a small loop. Move this loop to the middle point of the thread. Then put 2 silver tubes on each side. Trap 2 silver tubes. This is the second loop. I'm going to make another loop in the same way. So we have 3 loops now. Then put on 2 silver tubes on each side again. Next, just make the flower shape like how we did for the necklace. Please feel free to skip this part. I've got the flower setting, then begin to make loops So 2 silver tubes on each needle, then trap 2 silver tubes. Next, make more loops to finish the ring. I'll skip this part. This is the good length for me. As you can see when I measure it on my finger, it looks okay. Now trap the 2 silver tubes on the first loop. Take the needle on my left side to go through these beads to make 2 parts of the thread stay together. Now they are at the same place. Make 3 final knots here. Then take each needle to go back through some beads. Just like how we finished the necklace. Trim off the excess. Same with the other side of the thread. So weave down. That's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.